Okay, here we are going to linearize this function cosine of 2x at a value pi over 6. Here's the formula, so let's go ahead and get to work. F of pi over 6. So this is cosine of 2 times pi over 6. In another word, cosine of pi over 3. Do we remember our trig values? What's cosine of pi over 3? Pi over 3 is 60 degrees, refer to a special right triangle at 60 degrees. So it's like this. Here 60 degrees and that's 30 degrees. The ratio of the sides, the smaller side is 1. This longer side is square root of 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So by looking at this angle, which is pi over 3, and do the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, we get 1/2. Pretty nice answer. Alright, then we are going to just go ahead and do the derivative. So f prime of x, take the derivative cosine of a box, yeah? So derivative of cosine is negative sign. And then the box stays the same, so just 2x inside. Then we multiply by the derivative inside, which is a 2, like that. So f prime of x is just negative 2 sine of 2x. And then plug in pi over 6 again. So let's see what we have. So f prime of pi over 6 equals negative 2 times sine of 2 times pi over 6. So again, this is pi over 3. So let's see. Let me use that triangle again. So 60 degrees for pi over 3, and then that's square root of 3, 1, and 2. This time is this over that. So the value that we're looking at is negative 2 times square root of 3 over 2. And then this 2 and that 2 cancel. So the derivative there is negative square root of 3, right? Negative square root of 3. Now plug into the formula. So we have L of x equals f of a, which is 1/2, plus the derivative there, which is negative square root of 3, and then times x minus a, which is pi over 6. It's kind of bizarre because this is irrational, that's also irrational, but we're just going to put them in a nice way, that's all. So what I mean by that is, I'm just going to first distribute, so we have 1/2, this times that is minus square root of 3, and then x on the outside. And then when we multiply this and that, do not reduce, because we can't. 3 is inside of the square root, this is not. Negative times negative, that's plus. And I'll just put down plus square root of 3, pi on the outside, and then over 6, like this. Or maybe they want to learn calculus too. Look at that. Square root of 3 over 6, and then pi like this. Pi is just a number, alright? Lastly, I'll just move this here. Usually we like to have the y equals mx plus b form, right? So that's why. So the slope is this, negative square root of 3 times x. And then these are the numbers, so 1 over 2 plus square root of 3 over 6 pi. Done. Just like that.